Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on my channel. It's your boy Kevin. I'm doing something different today. I'm hitting more of the lifestyle. I'm hitting you with my car. I got the Acura TL 08 version. I know it's not the Type S, but I'm gonna take anything I can get when it comes to the Acura TL. Now listen up. I need to give this car some love and attention. I've neglected it a little bit throughout the winter. It's now summer, and I need to give her a real good detailing. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to start with getting these exhaust tips really clean. So what I've been doing for the past little bit is checking out a bunch of YouTube videos and seeing just exactly how I can get these tips nice and clean and back to full shine. So I'm going to try doing that today with you. Now, we're going to use a specific product called Barkeeper's Friend, which you'll see in a second. We're going to try to see if that's going to help us out achieve what we need to achieve. Now, I'm well aware that this is not a true exhaust tip cleaner product. This is actually made for more pots and pans and getting stuff like that really clean. But I've also seen a lot of people try this hack, and it seems to work, so I figured I would do it. Before I go to the store and spend a lot of money on products and all that other jazz, let me see what I have at home and see if I can make it work. So let's take a walk over to the car, show you exactly what I'm talking about, and we'll get into it. Let's go. So as you can see, the tips are pretty dirty, right? It's a lot of that like black carbon, I guess, that's on there. They look dull, and they should be a lot brighter and cleaner. And I think they're not too bad on the top. They're not too bad on the top, as you can see. But down the bottom, they're really dirty, and if you get inside, there it is. So I think it makes a bit of a difference when you stand back. It kind of looks like I'm missing the bottom part of my tip, if you will. So let's see if we can get that clean. So there's a few things I'm going to need to help me get through this. And this is one, just a little bit of water, warm water, as warm as possible. And then a sponge. But I got a sponge. You need a sponge that has the rough side to it. Scouring pad. I'm going to try this. I've seen a lot of people talk about Barkeeper's Friend. Now, I found this when I was in the U.S., obviously at a Ross, and it was only $4.99. Now, actually, it was $4.99. It was this one and a spray bottle that went along with it, too. So I got like kind of a 2-for-1 package. But anyways, I'm going to try this and see if that actually does any work. And I got some microfiber cloths as well, just to sort of help kind of polish it up. But because I'm a guy and I love extra tools, I bought this thing from Canadian Tire, and you'll see when I use this later, this will help to get right inside the tip itself. So I figured I would show you the cloth just in case you don't have one of these things. You could probably use a cloth and just some good old elbow grease to help you out with that. So without further ado, let's get to work. DJ, cue music. So I can tell that it's getting there. This is just really tough. There's a lot of elbow grease I got to use to get in here. All right, so truth be told, I had to go inside and get the actual spray one, because although it's getting much better, you can see already that all of that black stuff is gone. I've had this car for a number of years and I've never cleaned these, so it's really this black stuff. I almost gave up because I thought for a second that it was actually it had eaten through the chrome or something. So I got my spray one because I think I'm gonna have to spray it and let it soak for a minute. So let me just do that. All right, whew, I'm finally done. So it's time to see the final verdict and let me know if you think this was worth it. So let's take a look at the before and the after and let me know what you think in the comments below. Either, let's do a smash or trash. If you think this was either good or bad. So let me know in the comments below. Let's take a look. Personally, for me, I think it was actually pretty good. I didn't end up using the polish cone, mainly because I actually thought that I don't know, maybe stupid me. I thought the interior part of the exhaust pipe was also kind of chrome too, but it's just an actual tip. It's actually just an actual tip. So I didn't have to get as intricately detailed as I thought I would need to. But for something that I just found around the house, I actually think it was something that came up pretty good. Next time I might actually find some proper chrome polish to do this. But hey man, it worked for me. I hope it works for you. Listen, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like it, subscribe to the channel. I got more on the way with my Acura. It's the first one I did. So let me know how I did. If there's more you want me to review, let me know.